looked at how to use the edgeables and the concept, the fact that they only cut on the top edge and not on the bottom edge. I'll keep telling you that because it's really important. Now we're going to have a look at how we can use a different colour of card to create a drop shadow in the text, like this Celebrating Style card here. So you can see we've got the beautiful die cut into the edge of the black card there, but then we've cut a piece of pink and just offset it to create that effect. So I just wanted to show you how to do it, take a little bit of time to explain because I think it's really, really effective. So what I've got is my half fold piece of black card, which I've scored down the centre, and then I've positioned my Celebrate in Style die on the very edge, and I've cut it and I've embossed it. Again, this will work with all of the major machines out there, so check out your manufacturer's manual for all of the sandwiches that you need. And then what I've done is I've just used a little bit of gilding wax through the embossed areas to give it a little bit of definition. So when I'm ready, I can remove my die and poke out any little pieces. And you can see that I've got that beautiful Celebrate in Style. I'm just going to get a bit of white card so you can see it a little bit better. There we are. So you can see that beautiful Celebrate in Style that's been cut on the edge of the card there. What I've also done in advance is do exactly the same again, but on a piece of Pink Coordinations card. And then what we're going to do is just simply stick that inside. So I've got my tape pen. I would always recommend that you use a wet glue if you're doing something that needs to be opened and closed a lot, but a tape pen is absolutely fine for this. And then what I'm going to do is just line it up so it's ever so slightly offset. I'm going to have to do it back to front, but I hope you can still see. In fact, I'm going to turn it round. Try and do it backwards so you can see it. So what I'm doing is looking at where this Celebrate is, and I'm just offsetting that die slightly so it looks as though there's a little bit of a shadow. Can you see that? And then it creates that lovely drop shadow, which really makes that text pop out. Celebrate in Style. Now what I have done, and on purpose, is make this a little bit larger, which gives you the room to line up your drop shadow in the perfect place, and then you can simply come along with your scissors once you've got it in the right place and trim those away, which means you've got the perfect fit inside, so it looks nice and tidy. And I'll just show you that. So it looks nice and tidy inside, and then on the outside you've got that beautiful drop shadow underneath by just cutting a second one in a contrasting colour. An embossing folder, a little bit of ink, a couple of die cut flowers, and then you've got something which is really beautiful.